Nadine here, sharing how I made a firework background for some cards. You could also use this technique for like a scrapbook page, which would look really cool on there too. But today I'm going to just do a quick one to show you how I did it for a card. I'm going to be using some Fireworks spray in Ladybug and Bahama Blue. And I'm also going to be using the sheer Shimmer Spritz in Gold, some silver embossing powder, some VersaMark, and also these cool 4th of July stamps from Clair. These are called the Stars and Stripes. There we go. So to get started, using a piece of watercolor paper, I am just going to lightly spray it with some water, and then taking the Fireworks in Bahama Blue, make sure I get that mica powder all mixed up in there. And then just randomly spray. I'm doing the same thing with the Ladybug, and for some reason it's leaking on me. And you see when you get kind of close to the paper, when you spray it, you get a circular, which is what I want for this firework look. The further back you go, the more of a mist you get. There we go. And now I am just going to use a heat tool, holding it back pretty far away from it so I don't mix the colors up, but I do want to get it to dry just to speed up because I'm not very patient for waiting for things to dry. Okay, now that it is fairly dry, I'm just going to remove the lid from the Fireworks and just flick on some of the color. And then dry it again. Now I am going to take the sheer Shimmer Spritz in the Gold and spray it fairly heavy over the entire piece. And then also just flick some on there and then dry one more time. There you go. You can see the gold on there. Kind of looks cool like this, sort of like a tie-dye look. But now I am going to use the big Firework and just stamp on some VersaMark. Kind of picking where I did the circles before. Just stamp the Firework right over the top of those areas. And it's okay if this stamp overlaps each other because fireworks overlap. Now I'm just going to emboss it with some of the silver Imagine embossing powder. And taking the stars, the bigger one and then the littler one, just kind of fill in some of the center areas, the holes a little. And there we go. Makes a cool, fun background. I also did one using gold embossing powder. And then I did another one, which this is using the little firework that is in that stamp set. So there's 3 fun backgrounds.